one shot, one kill. It's a sniper term that we did, or drill, I guess, that we did in the Marine Corps. You know, to practice your sniper skills is to do a drill. It's one shot. You only get one shot to make one hit on your target. And so it's called the OSOP drill. I wanted to incorporate my dog into the military, so I chose OSOP as his name. It fits right into my family. It's been wonderful. I love it. I've always dreamed of having a canine in a car, and riding around with a dog is something a little different because you always got that partner that's in the back seat with you. You know, so you can always have, you know, some level of comfort with you. But still, it's still an infraction. We still have to have the sticker properly displayed.
Yeah, where are you guys headed? Where are you guys going?
Traffic stop, but I like to just kind of get to know them and figure out where they're going, what they're doing, and you know, because if you can't tell me some simple answers and then, you know, struggle to tell me your social security number or your date of birth or something like that, then my suspicion's going to rise. Hi. That swallowed the narcotics, she handled the narcotics, she has the odor on her hands, and so when she goes to open up the door, you know, she's grabbing onto the door handle, and that odor residue is going onto the door handle of the car, and we can't see it, we can't smell it, and there's probably not a whole lot of technology that can, but a dog's nose is what can. So,
and how does OSAC alert you to that?
Yeah, so ran him around the car a couple times, and he sniffed the driver's side door handle, and he shows interest in it by stopping, going around the car, and he'll just stand there and sniff it for a little bit, and then he'll sit down, and then he'll just turn and look at me, and like, what's next, boss? Like, what else do you want me to do? I found the dope. What do you want me to do now? So that's what he's trained to do.
He's not letting this thing go. I can throw him around. He's not letting it go. So glide means heel. So he's just gonna heel and he's gonna sit there until I tell him to do something. Glide. Glide. Push. So push is heel to me. So push. That means he's gonna stay by me and walk with me. Push. Nine. Load. Good boy. Good boy. And then back.